How to use Nifty Gateway as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how to use Nifty Gateway, what is Nifty Gateway, and how you can sign up and use your NIftyGateway.com. So let's get started. What you have to do is simply come to NIftyGateway.com. Nifty Gateway is an amazing NFT marketplace where you will be able to find amazing art NFTs. It is very famous for its art and very strict as well, and art is being sold here within seconds, and it is actually one of the very primary NFT marketplaces, art NFT marketplaces out there. So how to sign up for your Nifty Gateway or how to log in? It's super easy. You simply log in or sign up with your email address, and you set up a password. Once you have done that, you can simply then log into your Nifty Gateway. So you will be able to find all of these options right here: curated drops, and then we have verified drops, and then we have marketplace. So let's check them out one by one, and let's check out what kind of NFTs we are going to get in Nifty Gateway. So these are the curated drop schedule we find on Nifty Gateway. So these are the curated drop schedule that we find on Nifty Gateway. So you can see right here, these are the different creators that are going to be launching their curated drop. What is curated drops? Because Nifty Gateway is an art NFT marketplace, right? We find art here. So we know that one of the very important forms of art, one of the very famous NFT art is curated art, right? So that is why Nifty has, this whole dashboard or this whole, option for you to check out the curated art that most of the creators are creating. So if you are into curated arts, then you will simply, you will be able to find them right here. So what happens is these are the different, launches that are scheduled and the drops that are scheduled. So the NFTs on Nifty Gateway are known as Nifties. So if you find the word Nifties written anywhere, like Nifties will be dropped or Nifties will be launched, so that means the NFTs. So on Nifty Gateway, what happens is that it is a very strict platform. That is actually one of the things. If you are a beginner and if you want to sell your art on Nifty Gateway, then you will actually have to create a very good art, and then it depends that Nifty Gateway will allow you to mint your NFTs on the platform, because it is a very strict platform, and it allows the verified users and these amazing artists to mint their NFTs on Nifty Gateway. But if you get the chance to mint your NFT, if you have your profile, if you have good NFTs, then if you have your NFT on Nifty Gateway, then most chances are that you will be able to sell them within seconds or within minutes. So that is actually pretty amazing. So if we check out different NFTs, these are the verified collections, verified drops actually. So Nifties from verified drops are not curated by Nifty Gateway team. So what happens is these were the curated drops, right? The curated drops by NIftyGateway.com. But these are the verified drops. Verified drops means that any collection that is verified can be minted on Nifty Gateway. For example, CryptoPunks. For example, World of Women. You can see right here, I can see some of the very similar, NFT collections. Cool Cats, for example. So you can, mint them on a Nifty Gateway as well. But I am saying that this is an art platform, but does not mean that you can actually, mint your NFTs as well. So what happens is you can actually mint other pixel NFTs or your music NFTs or whatever NFTs you want to mint. You can simply mint them on Nifty Gateway. I will actually show you the marketplace as well. So let's go to marketplace and let me show you what is the look of NFT, what are the information you have to add in order to mint your NFT on Nifty Gateway. So this is the marketplace, the Nifty Gateway marketplace. Again, you will actually get the different categories that are available on Nifty Gateway. For example, recent curated collections, Then we have recent verified collections. Then you can go ahead and browse different NFTs on the marketplace that are available. You can filter your search by status, drop type, and price as well. Of course, as any other, NFT marketplace will have these options to kind of, filter your search. So you will be able to find, this is like open marketplace for a Nifty Gateway. So you will be able to find different NFTs from different collections. So if I check out any of the NFTs, I can, simply open it up, and then I will be able to buy it if I want to buy the NFT. And then of course, if you are going to sell, then we will actually get the information that what are the different options you add in order to mint your NFT on Nifty Gateway. So if I go with this NFT right here, let's go with this one. This one looks pretty cute. So I'm gonna open this one up and let's check out this NFT. Okay, so I have opened up the collection of the NFT that I just selected, right? So what happens is this is the collection, and I can go for a make global offer. And so we have the count, we have honors, and then we have floor price, for sale volume, and highest offer. Now, the interesting thing about Nifty Gateway and the difference you will find between the NFTs right here on Nifty Gateway and other platform. For example, if I talk about OpenSeas, right? On OpenSeas, we get the prices in ETH, right? But here you will find them in dollars. Like this is the floor price for this collection is $880. So you can actually check out the collection right here. This is the view. This is how you check out your collection on Nifty Gateway. Now I can check out that this one is for $799. This one is $800. I can actually filter my sale as well if I want to go for a little lower prices. So what if I go with $799? Let's open this one up and let's check out the collection name, the creator, and everything. So this is the view of the NFT when you open it up on Nifty Gateway. You will be able to find the collection name right here. Then we have edition, owned by, this is the creator. If you want to check out the creator on Nifty Gateway, the artist and creator are actually very valued, and you get a lot of information on them. That doesn't happen on other platforms that often, but here the artist and different creators are valued very much. Then the collection name, of course, type, and then I can simply click on buy now. And after that, what I can do is I will have to, of course, add funds to Nifty Gateway, and I can simply go ahead and buy this NFT right here. So what you have to do is, so I will of course have to add funds, and after that I can simply go ahead and buy this NFT on Nifty Gateway. Now, if you're thinking that what about the properties, how we can actually check out the rarity of NFT. So rarities are shown like this. For example, background, cloth, eyes, and these are the different properties you will be able to find for this NFT, the traits that are available for this NFT right here. So if we come back to the marketplace again, the artist and creator are actually pretty amazing. So if I want to check out the art NFTs, if I want to check out the curated collections on Nifty Gateway, these are actually exclusive collections, and these are actually sold within seconds, and people are actually waiting for these collections to drop. So for example, this one right here, I can check it out right now. And then what I have to do is I will have to keep an eye on this one. You actually get notification and email from Nifty Gateway for your different, collections or different products that are being dropped. So you get all the information about them. After that, I can simply go to activity. Activity simply means, so in activity, you actually get this news section where you actually get a lot of news. Is that so in activity you will be able to check out different activities happening right now on Nifty Gateway. It's kind of like a news section where you get different news about different NFTs that are being sold and the offers that are being made. So yeah guys, I think this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to show you around NIftyGateway.com, what is NIftyGateway.com, and what are the different options you get on Nifty Gateway. So yeah, if you like Nifty Gateway, you can go ahead and check it out right now. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.